Emakhosini bakagogo, I want to tell umntana Dlozi ukuthi it's not every time when you feel like you don't want to wake up and pray or wake up and phahla. It has to do with something that is not good. Sometimes it's your ancestors saying, not now. There are spirits which are monitoring spirits, which whenever you pray or you open your mouth or you speak, you ask, or ukhuluma ubabikela abantu abadala, they're always listening. Then khona umuntu oquphe umsamo wakho noma khona umuntu ofake some monitoring spirits in your body. So sometimes idlozi mawuzizwa uphansi, it's idlozi saying, not now, don't speak. If you are used to waking up at 3 o'clock, then automatically on that whole week, you keep waking up at 1 o'clock. It's because ingelosi yakho at 1 o'clock it's present. They want you to speak to them 1 o'clock, not 3 o'clock. So sometimes everything is bad. Sometimes it's ancestors communicating to us how they would love us to communicate, or letting us know when are they around, and for them to hear bese basiphendula. Thokozani.